Yes, be ready. Start. Appellant had shown his inability to pay the decretal amount stowed. Under the circumstances, the district forum convicted the appellant and sentenced him to simple imprisonment of 2 years stop. Appellant filed the appeal before the State Commission stop. State Commission by an interim order stayed operation of the order of the district forum subject to deposit of the entire decretal amount stowed. We do not find any infirmity in the interim order passed by the State Commission stowed. The decree passed against the appellant attained finality stop. Under the circumstances, District Forum under Section 27 of Consumer Protection Act 1986 had no other option other than to convict the appellant stop. The State Commission has rightly stayed the operation of the impugned order subject to deposit of the entire decretal amount stowed. Section 27 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 empowers the District Forum, State Commission, National Commission to impose the penalties stowed. It empowers the authorities to pass an order to punish a person with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 month but which may extend to 3 years or with a fine in case a trader or a person against whom the complaint is made fails or omits to comply with any order passed by the authorities stanza. In this case, it is to be noticed that it is the allegation of the respondent / complainant that he had deposited the money with the society and society had not repaid the amount with interest as assured stop. The application under Section 27 is filed by showing the appellant as secretary of the society stop. When the order of imprisonment was passed by the district forum, the appellant herein has filed appeal before the State Commission stop. In view of the condition imposed, the appellant approached the National Commission by way of appeal, which is dismissed by impugned order stanza. In this appeal, it is to be noticed that there is no order passed against the appellant herein by the district forum in its individual capacity stop. The appellant was shown as secretary of the society during the relevant period stop for the default committed by the society and in absence of any personal liability imposed on the appellant is to be imprisoned under Section 27 of the Act is doubtful stop. Prima facie we are of the view that for the default committed by the society, no order for imprisonment can be ordered against the appellant herein. Full stop. Over.